Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are unboxing and test the 6.5 quart electric stand mixer from BIWHALE. This is a multi-purpose stand mixer that actually will make you life easy and comfortable, and can be used to make rottiata, pizza dough, paratha dough, puri dough, cookie dough, cake batters, and a lot of baking stuff. Inside the box you'll find user manual, flat beater, wire whip, dough hook, baking spoon, bowl cover. The BIWHALE stand mixer. This stand mixer has a very good whisker and whip the cream very well. You can also use it as an ice cream maker. Equipped with wire whipper, dough hook, flat beater only need to be rinsed with water, no dishwasher or detergent. Food grade fluorocarbon coating, resistant to corrosion and abrasion, to prevent rust. The 6.5 quart stainless steel bowl have enough capacity for the family. With 6-speed stalls, you can control each speed to the most precise level. Ensures tailor mixing effortless and thoroughly for a variety of food, ranging from pasta to ice cream, egg whites to bread dough, and help you save electricity. Now let's make bread dough. I'm going to add 5 cups of flour, 1 spoon of baking soda, 2 spoons of salt, and add water. After 8 minutes, the dough is fully kneaded. Now let's make whipped frosting. We're going to need 3 egg whites and 2 big spoons of sugar. The whipped cream is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.